from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 7:30 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a band of intense rain and strong winds were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles south of Waukegan Harbor to near Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Waukegan Harbor around 7:15 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Livingston County in central Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, North Central Ford County in east central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, eastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. Sunday. At 4:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing very heavy rain, increasing in coverage across the warned area. Up to 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen in the past 3 hours over portions of the warned area. There have been reports of street flooding in portions of Will and Cook County. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, country roads, and other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to walk across flooded roads. Until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday, snow watch in effect through Monday evening. Tonight, showers and chances of following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 10:30 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a band of torrential rain that will move across Porter and Lake counties this evening. This band will produce 1 to 2 inches of rain in less than an hour. This heavy rain will produce flash flooding of streams, creeks, rivers, and low-lying areas including streets and viaducts. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.